This is the all-new Blink Video Doorbell, newest model, head-to-toe, HD view, 2-year battery life, and super easy setup, sync module core included. Let's check it out. So right away, this is what sets the new Blink Video Doorbell apart from other video doorbells, is the fact that it has a head-to-toe view. So if you have a tall person or a short person, it's going to be able to capture their entire body in the frame. It also has a 110-degree field of view, and with the new sync module core, which is included with this system, allows for even easier installation. No chime required. Just take the sync module core, plug it into an outlet, plug it into your router, and you're ready to go. You don't need a chime like you do with some of the other video doorbell systems. With this newest Blink Video Doorbell, you'll be able to see not only who's at your door, but also what they're doing. With the previous models, you would get a little bit of the top of their head and maybe their nose. But now with this updated camera, you'll be able to see their entire body. And speaking of cameras, this does have an HD camera, 1080p resolution, and it captures video at 30 frames per second. Also has a built-in infrared sensor that will alert you when a package is delivered. Then you can use the two-way audio to talk to whoever is at your door. And with the Blink app, you can set up a schedule so you won't get any alerts between certain hours if you do unwant to. Say if it's 2 in the morning and your baby is sleeping and you do want to get interrupted, you can set up a schedule so you won't get any alerts during that time. Now, one of the best things about this video doorbell is the fact that it has a 2-year battery life. So you don't have to worry about charging this or replacing the batteries every 6 months like you do with some of the other video doorbells. This one will last 2 years. The new Blink Video Doorbell and Sync Module Core. It's available in black or white. You can purchase it from an online link below. And we're going to do a live demonstration of the video doorbell here in just a second. We're going to show you how it looks, how it works, everything else. But I wanted to show you guys the actual size difference compared to the old Blink Video Doorbell. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. The new one is definitely taller, wider, and deeper as well. So it's going to accommodate that larger sensor and the larger screen. But again, you do get a much better view with the new one. And this is the sync module core. All you have to do is plug this into an outlet, plug it into your router, and you're ready to go. No chime required. We are doing a live demo of the Blink Video Doorbell. We have the video doorbell right here. You can see how big it is compared to my face. It's huge. It's going to be able to capture my entire body, which is great because some of these other video doorbells, they don't capture your whole body. They kind of cut off at the waist. This one, you'll be able to see my whole body. What we gonna do is we gonna ring the doorbell here and see how it looks on the monitor. Now we have the doorbell set up and we're gonna go ahead and ring it. Now I have my phone right here. I'm gonna go ahead and answer. You can see I already have an answer. There we go. That was almost instant. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Now I have my phone right here. Let's go ahead and answer. You can see I already have an answer. There we go. That was almost instant. So yeah, this is definitely the way to go if you're really looking for a video doorbell that has a longer battery life and a better picture.